Alright, y'all, what going on, bruh? We back, goddamn. But y'all can see by the title, we finna be cutting up out here. You know what I'm saying? Finna be on doing a little slight. Woo. That boy looked back. You heard that motherfucking demon. You heard that motherfucker coming. Man, bro, it's been a minute since I recorded a video, not gonna lie. So, shoot. I mean, y'all been getting the videos, though. Y'all get consistent videos every 3 days. Y'all should subscribe for that. By the way, before I start doing all this crazy stuff, bro, in this video, bro, y'all subscribe, bro, right now, bro. I'm gonna put the sub count on the screen. Bow, 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 bow. Somewhere I'm gonna put that bit up, you know what I'm saying? Y'all subscribe right now, bro. If y'all want more content, bro. Alright, y'all, we back. We had some technical difficulties, you know what I'm saying? Bro, every time I slide, that nigga look back. Sorry. I didn't mean to scare you. Stupid ass. But what's that? Corner number 2? Corner number 2? Oh my god. Damn, this bitch right here is tight. Y'all, that's corner number 3. Corner number 3. Corner number 3. Y'all, I'm ass at sliding to the left, but I need to go left right here. Whew. Slick hit that bit though. Keep going. What's that, y'all? Corner number 4. Corner number 4. Corner number 4. Y'all, I'm really out here tweaking today, bro. Really, because it's raining, bro. I don't like sliding when it's not raining, bro. Because what I like paying for tires, bro. I don't have a Dodge, bro. I don't pay for tires every 2-3 weeks. That bitch slid, but that bitch want to keep going for real. What's that, y'all? Corner number 5. Corner number 5. Woo! I messed that one up. I ain't gonna count that one. I ain't even gonna say that counts. Woo! Y'all, I'm literally just bending in circles. Woo! Y'all, that bitch is throwing me across the whip, y'all, boy. God damn. I just slid this whole freaking 4 corners, so I'm gonna go down here. What corner are we on? Like 6? The bus. Look at Z-Bus. Z-Bus. Y'all, I gotta learn how to bend the corner better. But I mean, I'm good at it, but like, I feel like I could definitely get better. Like, I think I need to start changing the gear. Like, should I try sliding in second, bro? I don't know what's gonna happen. Yeah, see, that bitch don't get loose in second, bro. Or maybe it does. Maybe I'm just tripping and don't know how to drive this bitch. Whew. Y'all can see we really in them trenches, bro. I'm gonna just drive normally.
Y'all are going to jail!
She look like a snitch. She look like a snitch. She look like a snitch ass motherfucker. It's a white BMW coming through here drawing. No, that ain't me. That was not me. What street is this? Ooh! Get bendy. We get bendy out here. Oh, it's a speed bump right there. I'm not going that way. Y'all done lost count of how many y'all done slid, bro. I think I'm at like 9 or 10, bro. Get bendy right here. Ooh, get bendy then, young Chris. Y'all really want to go do some donuts, man, but shit, I don't even got no spot for real. Y'all, I'm literally bending like the same 4 or 5 turns. I don't know if y'all noticed, but shit, we just riding through the idiot, man. All broke down shit, straight bandos. Get bendy. Ooh! That nigga got scared as shit. That nigga got scared as shit. I want to get bendy right here, but it's a car right here. Can I contain that bitch? That bitch just sliding anywhere at this point. And this K5 behind me, like, get from behind me, young nigga. Oh, wait, no, I'm gonna go straight. Is this a Fed right here? Hell no, he don't look Fed. Oh my God. Get bendy then, young Chris. Young nigga. Yes, sir. We is getting too bendy. Very, very bendy. Yeah, I wonder if my tire's gonna be fucked after this. My tire's finna be fucked. But yeah, y'all boys, I don't know how long that was, but I just gave y'all a good like 15 bends, bruh. No cap, I just gave y'all hella bendy action. So shit, with that being said, I'm gonna get up with y'all boys on the next one. No kids, no cap.